Hello,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Tom. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Um, yeah,
Okay,
my name is Boeing.
Boeing.
I'm 8 years old. I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, nice to meet you, Boeing. And how are you today? How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, cool. So, as you see, we have a test, and here is the first task. Let's check your vocabulary. What's this?
It is a coin.
Coin, okay. It's a coin, or this is a
It's
coin.
fire station.
Fire station.
It's supermarket.
Okay.
It's deer.
Huh?
Deer.
Thief. Yeah.
Deer.
Okay.
It's flat line. This doctor.
Okay. And okay. So the next step is preposition of time. Let's check it. So when is her birthday?
My birthday.
Her. When is her birthday?
Her birthday is March. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
10.
10th of March. Yeah. Or on 10th March. Yeah. Okay. The next one. What time does she wake up?
I wake up.
Talking about her.
Her wake up.
She.
She wake up at
Mm-hmm.
6 o'clock.
Okay. The next one. Where is her mother? Where is her mother?
The mother is in the supermarket.
Okay. So now let's practice prepositions of place. Yeah. Next step. Where is the park?
The park is next to a fire station.
Okay. Where is the school?
The school is next to the hospital.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Where is library?
The
It's
library
this one.
is
So here's cinema and here's library. So where is library?
uh, is
Mm-hmm. In front of. Okay. The next one. Where is cinema?
the cinema is next to a fire station.
Next to the fire station. Okay. Now, yeah. So let me ask you some questions. How often do you play basketball with your friends?
I usually play basketball.
Oh, okay. How often does your mom cooks meals?
I
Cook.
I often I some
How often does your mom cook meals?
I sometimes uh, cook.
Your mom, yeah? Your mom. Okay. How often does your father drink coffee in the morning?
The father,
No, not the father, just my father.
my father, really, really
Rarely, yeah?
drink the coffee.
Coffee. Okay, in the morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, boy, for the test. You did a great job, and goodbye. See ya.
Goodbye, teacher.